So, Sprint has been named the most supportive carrier at this show at the Telecom Council Spiffy Awards, and we're going to be hearing a little bit more about why they're so innovative. So, why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit more about Sprint?
Sure. I'm Louise Kardas. I'm a business development manager working for the CTO organization based here in Silicon Valley for a purpose to actually look at the innovations that come out of here and bring them back to the mothership back in Kansas City. Sprint is very honored to have received this award. We, through our developer program, we want to promote an open enablement strategy. We think that the carriers are not in the place to pick the winners of the battles. We don't want to be in the way of the consumer and their content and applications. So we just want to be there to enable innovation, provide network services through our network APIs that developers can leverage to build innovative applications. And so that's been our open enablement strategy for the past couple of years.
Now, a developer comes to you guys and says, I have this great app. What are you looking for?
So we are interested in seeing what value it brings to our customer, specifically for certain phones. So what we do if we think the app is great, for example, for the Evo in video conferencing, for example, we would feature it in an application called Sprint Zone, where essentially it's a bridge between the big, large Android market where you have 100,000 apps and customers don't know which one to pick. It's a bridge to, what app is great on the Evo, for example. And so the customer is able to pick amongst the 15 apps that we feature. And it's a rolling list. If it's an app that does great, we leave it on there for a while. If it doesn't do great, then they're replaced by another cool application that makes more sense for our customers.
What's your favorite app at the moment?
Right now, I think it's SwiftKey, which is an application for that predicts, instead of me having to type the text or swipe the text even, it predicts what I'm going to write. So if I start typing TH, it's going to offer me thank, and then it will offer me you. I just have to click enter, 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 and thank you so much for blah, 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 the or. And I don't even have to type. I click 4 times and my whole sentence is done.